Okay, it's been a couple days since the last walk around, so let's see what the progress is. The block wall has been installed. Got some more debris around. Looks like the grout has been color matched to the block. It's 6 foot here and 7 foot out there at the street level. A little cleaner back here. Now we can see all of the sprinkler. I guess those were the heads are going to be. We got some plants that got pulled up. I guess a big bush is going to be in that right-hand planter area. But you begin to see where the sprinklering is going to be located. Somehow attached to those, what I would call a drip line. And they use those pallets as a step ladder to get up on that wall. That back wall is close to 8 feet. Matches almost with the neighbors. And of course the old hydrant. And it's starting to shape up back here. A little cleaner. Probably because the wind's blown the dust away. Not because it's been swept. Or hosed. Not quite sure when to engage any kind of cleanup effort here. Nice cool day today. That wind blows off the any heat. This wall basically turned out to be 5.5 feet high. Of course, one course is subterranean to the cement foundation. So let's go over and check out the water pressure on this hydrant. Oh yeah. Supposedly it's about 125 psi, and it's of course reduced to I believe 30 pounds psi in the house. So really needed hydrants in the backyard to get some water out on the yard. Of course, with the wind, we got some tumbleweeds blowing in once we get the gates. And the wall is significantly quieter walking around as far as wind. So they haven't finished up this wall portion here. They had to get some more brick with the extended back wall going to around 8 feet. Added 4 courses. So they'll be back to put the block wall in here. You can see it's sloped away. And then they'll have to grout the block wall. They'll have to cap. They'll have to then put some additional rebar in there for the height. But it's shaping up. Just need to get them out here to finish up the block wall phase. Thanks for watching.